Time management is one aspect of effective management. Time is a precious commodity, and you want to use it very wisely. As a manufacturing supervisor, I know that much of your time it needs to be used in response to shop floor issues, but you want to minimize your reactionary time and carve out more focused time in your day. As a manufacturing supervisor, you want to spend about 50% of your time on the shop floor and the other 50% working on projects and other administrative tasks in the office. One of the best ways to strike this ideal balance is to schedule your shop floor walks. This is what happens when you don't have scheduled shop floor walks. Well, it looks like this. You come into work and you sit down at your desk and one of your operators walk in and they tell you about the absence of another employee. So then you have to go out on the production floor and adjust staffing to cover that absence. Then you come back to your office and you sit down again. Then another employee comes in and they tell you about a machine problem. So then you walk out on the production floor again and you assess it, and then you call maintenance, and then you come back to your office and you sit down again, and a QC inspector comes in and they inform you of a quality issue. You're running around like crazy, but you're only putting out fires. However, if you schedule your shop floor production walks, then you can address many issues in a concentrated effort. When you walk the floor, you can clear up these shop floor issues, and then you can go sit down and do some admin work. You're going to have a lot less distractions if you do that, and a lot more focus time too. So schedule your shop floor walks for 3 times a day. Do an early shift walk, a mid shift walk, and a late shift walk. Plan on spending about an hour for each of these 3 walks.